Students of class 5A and 5B, you are welcome to this class GK. One topic I am once again teaching you only for the conveniences of one section. I don't know whether it is A or B, but in the interest of the students of one section, I have decided to teach the same lesson once again. Then I shall teach another lesson, another new lesson. The lesson is Unit 5, topic heat words, points across, down, letters of different, numbers, crossword puzzle, clues given. Number 1, across and down. Across and down. Now I am going to discuss about across and down. What is across? What is down? Some words are there, are written horizontally, and some words are there written, vertically. This is known as across and down. Now across words, a material that doesn't conduct heat well. How many letters are there? There are 9 letters there. Okay. Now what is the exact word? Exact word would be there. Exact words would be there. I am going to tell you. Across number 2, you see across number 2, it is insulator. It is insulator, a material that does not conduct heat well. It is known as insulator. It is known as insulator. Here how many letters are there? Here there are 9 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 letters. Insulator consists of 9 letters. And now across number 3. What are the electromagnetic rays that transfer heat called? Serial number 3, you see infrared. Okay, what are the electromagnetic rays that transfer heat called? It is called infrared. How many letters are there? There are 8 letters there. Okay, now serial number 6 of across. Temperature is usually measured in degrees. Temperature is usually measured in degrees. What is this? Serial number 6 of across, that is Celsius. Okay, temperature is usually measured in degrees, that is Celsius. How many letters are there? 7 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters are there. And now serial number 9 of across. All of you open at page number 47. Okay, open at page 47 and look at it. One lesson is there named heat words. I am re-explaining. Now heat words. And next, serial number 9 of across. Flow of heat between two objects that are touching. Flow of heat between two objects that are touching. What is this? This is conduction. Flow of heat between two objects that are touching, that is conduction. Conduction. Serial number 9 words. There are 9 letters. There are 10 letters. Okay. Now serial number 12 of across. Serial number 12 of across, you see heat transfer across empty space. Heat transferred across empty space. What is this? This is radiation. Radiation. How many letters are there? There are 9 letters. Okay, in radiation there are 9 letters. And radiation there are 9 letters. And next one, serial number 13. How well a material conducts heat. how well a material conducts heat. 7 and 12. Here there is a big, words. There is a big name. What is this? That is thermal conductivity. Okay, thermal conductivity. How well a material conducts heat. Thermal conductivity is the answer. And how many letters are there? There are 7 and 12 letters. There are 7 and 12 letters. 7 letters are for thermal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 thermal. And 12 letters are for conductivity. Okay. The total 12 plus 7. That means 19 letters are there. 19 letters has been divided into two parts. First part is for 7 letters and second part is for 12 letters. Okay. Total 19 letters are there for thermal conductivity. 13. Serial number 13 of across. Now serial number 14 of across. A measure of how hot or cold something is. A measure of how hot or cold something is. Here it is. Serial number 14 of the answer will be temperature. The answer will be temperature. Okay. How many letters are there? This temperature consists of 11 letters. 11 letters. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 letters are there in serial number 14 of across. And now come to down. Okay. Down. Serial number 1 of down, you see the unit that heat is measured. The unit that heat is measured. Here how many letters are there? Now first answer. You see, look at the answer first. Serial number 1 of down. Serial number 1 of down, the answer is joule. The answer is joule. How many letters are there? There are 5 letters over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters are there. The unit that heat is measured, joule. And next one, serial number 4 of down. Force that generates heat when two objects are rubbing. Force that generates heat when two objects are rubbing. Okay. What is this? This is serial number 4. Serial number 4, you see, that is friction. Okay. Force that generates heat when two objects are rubbing, that is friction. Here, how many letters are there? Here, there are 8 letters. Now, serial number 5 of down. Serial number 5 of down, you see, the amount of heat energy a material required to change the temperature of a material, the amount of heat energy a material required to change the temperature of a material. Here see, look at 5 up, down. What should be the answer? The answer is, serial number 5 answer is heat capacity. Heat capacity. How many letters are there? Total 12 letters are there. But this heat capacity has been divided into two parts of letters. In the first part, there are 4 letters. In the second part, there are 8 letters. Okay. First part, heat. Heat consists of 4 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 letters. And capacity consists of 8 letters. So, including heat and capacity, there are 12 letters. And next, serial number 6. Serial number 6, what is the question? Question is a material that does conduct heat well. A material that does conduct heat well. Serial number 6 of down, that is conductor. Conductor. How many letters are there in conductor? There are 9 letters in conductor. Conductor consists of 9 letters. And next one, serial number 7 of down. Serial number 7 of down, what is this? Serial number 7 of down. What is the question? Temperature is a measure of the average of the particles in a material. Temperature is the average of a particle in a material. That is, answer is kinetic kinetic energy. Okay, kinetic energy. How many letters are there? There are 7 plus 6 letters in kinetic energy. First part consists of 7 letters. Second part consists of 6 letters. First part is kinetic. Here it is of 7 letters, and energy, the another part, it is of 6 letters. Okay, so kinetic energy is the answer of serial number 7. Temperature is a measure of the average of the particles in a material. Then serial number 8, you see, serial number 8, what is this? A tool used to measure temperature. A tool used to measure temperature. Here there are 11 letters. You see here there are 11 letters. Serial number 8. What is this? Thermometer. Here there is thermometer. One word is there, that is thermometer. A tool used to measure temperature. This is thermometer. And how many letters are there? 11 letters are there. Okay. Now serial number 10. Serial number 10. Another word for heat. Another word for heat. What is this? Another word for heat is, serial number 7 is thermal. Another word for heat is known as thermal. How many letters are there? 7 letters are there. Okay. In thermal, there are 7 letters. And next one, 11, serial number 11 of down. Flow of heat in liquids and gases. Flow of heat in liquids and gases. How many letters are there? There are 10 letters in serial number 11 of down. Now what is the exact word will be? The exact word will be in down 11 is convection. Okay, flow of heat in liquids and gases is known as convection. Flow of heat in liquids and gases, that is known as convection. Convection consists of how many letters? Convections consist of 10 letters. So these are the heat words, my dear students, simply in the form of written questions. Simply in the form of questions will come, which is written in across and serial and down, serial number wise, and then you have to put down the exact answer. So what you have to do, you have to simply learn the answers of across, the answers of down. The answers which I discussed, I taught you, these all are mentioned in the back pages of your book. Please find it out and take it down and put down the answer into the boxes given. Okay, you put down the answers, take it down in your classwork copies, as well as put down the answers of serial letters in the appropriate boxes properly, and then learn it. You learn in the interest of you, because this lesson is very important for you. Questions may come from this lesson. Each and every lesson also is important, but you give all the lessons equal importance, so that you can attempt any type of questions given. Okay, up to this, my dear students, thank you very much.